Hello and welcome. If you are a frequent user of chatbots, you have alternatives if you are auditory and you don't necessarily like reading all of the text that an AI may bring. You're now looking at Google Gemini, but the same thing applies if you are a user of ChatGPT or if you are a user of some other chatbot like Perplexity or Claude, or you are a user of ChatGPT. For example, if we were to scroll down to the bottom of this answer. From Google Gemini, what we can do is you'll look to the ellipsis. You'll see that you can copy this entire text into your WordPress document, but you can also click this link that says, Listen. Okay, let's look at the options Google provides for earning through referrals or affiliate marketing based on the search results. One Google Workspace referral program. What it is, this program rewards you for referring new customers. So you'll notice that what you can do is you can listen to the entire answer that Google gives you here in Google Gemini. If you do a deep research query, Google will give you the opportunity to turn that research report into an audio overview, and you can listen to it. You'll see here that there is an audio overview that is rendering, and it's about 1 hour in length. The same feature is present within ChatGPT. You're looking at a deep research report. And what you'll notice here is that we can have this research report read aloud. So for example, we're going to click on Read Aloud. Feasibility of a small-scale 3D printing manufacturing business. Budget $7,000. Starting a small-scale manufacturing business with 3D printers on a $7,000 budget is indeed feasible, but it requires careful planning and realistic expectations. So as you can see, if you are an auditory person, you can listen to the answer as given to you by the chatbot if that will help you to learn or to process the information. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.